So this is a Hoover whole house rewind. It appears that it's clogged, at least partially. So we're going to inspect it. Cord winder works. Where a lot of these will like to clog is sometimes in here. You want to make sure to check that. However, down here, it looks like this is where our issue is. So we're just going to clean that out, clean it up. First thing first, we're going to pull off this screw and all those, and pull off this base plate from just like that. Gonna clean that up. This clog is pretty substantial. We're gonna have to break it down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. So now we'll get the broom handle, see if that'll work. Now I'm just going to cut all this hair off, clean this up. This brush roll still spins good. So that cleaned up really nice. Now it is worth noting, these are trash fine vacuums. I fixed these up and I basically just give them away. Most people don't really care too much, and I'm kind of on the fence about whether I'm just going to take this apart off video or off camera and just clean it out a little bit more. I don't really need to do that for a video. But overall, this thing is, it is pretty dirty. The tubing here is kind of nasty and dirty inside. So it's, I mean, it's definitely donatable. It's not something I would sell to somebody, but somebody who needs a vacuum and they don't really care, they're not going to be too put off by anything like that, at least in my experience. Most people assume that their vacuum cleaner is going to be dirty and nasty to begin with. All right, so let's try it now. Much better. Gotta check and make sure. Well, that works all right. Now I'm just gonna blow it off with the air compressor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.